Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create marble nail art using blooming gel. Before we get started, tap the information icon in the top right corner to watch our full application tutorial. Once you've completed your nail prep, base coat and optional builder gel, you're ready to add nail art. Let's get into it. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of message in a bottle, curing after each coat. Make sure to cap the free edge and leave a small gap at the cuticles. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin even coat of blooming gel over the entire nail, making sure to fully cover from cuticle to tip and leave this layer uncured. Keeping it wet is essential, as this is what allows your marble design to flow and spread naturally. Dip your dotting tool or nail art brush into whiteout, then slowly swirl and drag the colour across the nail in soft curved motions to create a natural marble effect. Vary the pressure of your tool. Light pressure will create fine, delicate lines, while slightly more pressure will create larger blooms of colour. Once you're happy with the result, cure for 60 seconds under your gel nail lamp. Cure for 60 seconds. For a more filled and layered marble look, apply another thin coat of blooming gel and leave it uncured. Then add more swirls of whiteout in any gaps or areas that need extra depth, letting the blooming gel spread the design naturally. Allow the blooming gel to spread and soften your design. Pausing for a few seconds can help the pattern open up further. If needed, add more fine strokes to build depth and create a layered stone-like look. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat, making sure to cap the free edge for durability and shine. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. You can experiment with different gel polish colors or mix multiple shades for unique marble designs. Thanks for watching!